Guys, so this is just a quick video update of why I haven't been shooting so many videos. I haven't been shooting so many videos because I've been setting shit up. So I set up a studio. I got a whole little studio now, and I've been trying to set up interviews and all this other shit, but I mean, everything takes time. A lot of y'all probably don't know, I have children. I have 3 children. One child, my oldest, is in Georgia with his dad from middle school. Then I have my 2 younger children. So I co-parent with my ex. So one week when I have my children, I focus on my children and work. And on the weeks that I don't have my children, I focus on every fucking thing else. So vlogging, my juice business, work, trying to set up interviews, trying to enjoy my fucking life, trying to go on dates, trying to eat food, trying to get sleep. It's a whole bunch of shit that goes into networking events, all of that, all into that week that I'm just free. So it's like I try to do the vlogging in there and on free weeks, but sometimes I be like, man. But it's like I really just need more self-motivation because a lot of that time, I just be laying in the bed listening to music and shit. I notice that a lot of the time, it'd be like a good hour of just laying down listening to music or a good hour of just dancing in the mirror. And it's like, fam, you could have definitely did something with that time. But I mean, you need that too. You definitely need that music therapy and that dance therapy. So I just want to show y'all my studio and tell y'all why I have been slacking. And it's my fucking birthday this weekend too. So the fact that I'm even talking to y'all right now while I got things to do, well, it's before I have things to do. So I booked a room in Chicago. I've never been to Chicago, so we're gonna go to Chicago and kick it. And I'm packing my bag right now. I'm trying to record a couple videos for y'all to watch. And I mean, I guess I'll vlog while I'm there and just talk to y'all about me being alone in Chicago on my birthday, experiencing that. That should be all right. But let me show y'all the little studio I done put together. Let me, get that shit together, nigga. Oh! So, y'all guys, y'all have a great day. I'm gonna show you the studio. And I gotta get back to prepping for my birthday. So I might shoot another vlog just because I need to get some vlogs done. But yeah, I'm about to go chill out. See y'all. Baby, you know what I'm saying? So we got to set up for interviews. Not really group interviews. It's like one-on-one type interviews. You see, we got the lights. Courtney, you ain't got some lights, G? You got some lights to make it bright even at night? You know, I ain't got the big tripod. Let's move up here. I ordered a camera and stuff and got the mics. The mic ain't even working with the camera, and the camera keep glitching stuff. So we sending that back. And I know really I need something better than a $100 camera. We back in here. So we still using the phone. We got the Mac. Sometimes we got the notes and stuff right here to keep us, you know what I'm saying, be organized. And then the Mac, you know what I'm saying, we bought that off Facebook because Courtney always like deals and her ex told her about this. And the CD-ROM part don't even work on the Mac. It's like, come on, man. What is this? So the Mac is cool still. There's some editing stuff on there. We just need to get a better camera so we can stop using the phone. You know, my mom, she painted that picture. So we doing shout out to moms. Boom, bet. That's right. So yeah, we got our own little studio / office setup going on, and I'm excited, you guys. We're about to do bigger and better things. So let me get back to packing and prepping. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.